The zebra shark has a cylindrical body with a large, slightly flattened head and a short, blunt snout. The eyes are small and placed on the sides of the head, the spiracles are located behind them and are as large or larger. The last three of the 5 short gill slits are situated over the pectoral fin bases, and the 4th and 5th slits are much closer together than the others. Each nostril has a short barbel and a groove running from it to the mouth. The mouth is nearly straight, with 3 lobes on the lower lip and furrows at the corners. There are 28, 33 tooth rows in the upper jaw and 22, 32 tooth rows in the lower jaw. Each tooth has a large central cusp flanked by 2 smaller ones. There are 5 distinctive ridges running along the body in adults, 1 along the dorsal midline and 2 on the sides. The dorsal midline ridge merges into the first dorsal fin, placed about halfway along the body and twice the size of the second dorsal fin. The pectoral fins are large and broad, the pelvic and anal fins are much smaller but larger than the second dorsal fin. The caudal fin is almost as long as the rest of the body, with a barely developed lower lobe and a strong ventral notch near the tip of the upper lobe. The zebra shark attains a length of 2.5 m, 8.2 feet, with an unsubstantiated record of 3.5 m, 11 feet. Males and females are not dimorphic in size 10. The color pattern in young sharks is dark brown above and light yellow below, with vertical yellow stripes and spots. As the shark grows to 50, 90 cm, 20, 35 in long, the dark areas begin to break up, changing the general pattern from light on dark stripes to dark on light spots. There is substantial variation in pattern amongst adults, which can be used to identify particular individuals. A rare morph, informally called the sandy zebra shark, is overall sandy, brown in color with inconspicuous dark brown freckles on its upper side, lacking the distinct dark spotted and banded pattern typical of the species. The appearance of juveniles of this morph is unknown, but subadults that are transitioning into adult sandy zebra sharks have a brown netted pattern. Faint remnants of this pattern can often be seen in adult sandy zebra sharks. This morph, which is genetically inseparable from the normal morph, is only known from the vicinity of Malindi in Kenya, although seemingly similar individuals have been reported from Japan and northwestern Australia. In 1964, a partially albino zebra shark was discovered in the Indian Ocean. It was overall white and completely lacked spots, but its eyes were blackish-brown as typical of the species and unlike full albinos. The shark, a 1.9 m, 6.2 feet, long mature female, was unusual in that albino animals rarely survive long in the wild due to their lack of crypsis.